What's up, crypto geeks? Back with another exciting video, and as usual, before we start, I do have to make you aware that I'm not a financial advisor, neither am I giving you financial advice, I'm not a legal advisor, neither am I giving you legal advice. Make sure you do your own research so that you make your own money. With that, I'll get started. So today I'm going to talk about a couple of important points in terms of pricing for XRP, and I'm going to link it in a little bit with ADA and Stellar and tell you a bit of what's happening in the market. Now, you're seeing a lot of fluctuations in the market and a lot of big crashes. And I can tell you that is not because the crypto market as a whole is declining. In fact, if you look over time, and even over the past week where there's been a crash, last week there was a crash, there's been an overall growth in crypto. But what is actually happening is a lot of the little cryptocurrencies, altcoins, Dodge and SafeMoon, all those little ones that have almost no utility, but are growing because of the mass demand, whether it's because of media outlets, advertising for them or celebrities and so on, but they're growing. Now their growth is coming with pulling some of those holders that have been holding tokens or cryptocurrencies that have utility. So some people, not so smart people, but some people are selling their XRP to buy Dodge and to buy SafeMoons, hoping that they would make quick gains and reinvest them into XRP and ADA or Stellar, whatever other cryptocurrency they are comfortable with. Now, that is good and bad, and I want to tell you, I'll start by saying why it's the clear. Clearly it's bad because it's taking away from those currencies that have utility. So you're seeing the numbers drop for XRP, you're seeing the numbers initially drop for Stellar, initially dropped for ADA, and the rest of the tokens and so on. That's positive because although there's some people being grabbed into Dogecoin and so on to try and invest, a lot of those people over time are realizing, what the hell am I into? This cryptocurrency is actually garbage. I mean, it has value because people are paying for it, whatever they're paying for it, but there's no utility to it. So they are selling it. And once they sell it, not many people up to this point, and this is based on personal experience from people around me and from a lot of what I've read over the internet and over reports, not a lot of people are actually pulling their money out of the crypto industry as a whole. No one's selling and saying, I'm going to take my money and buy this thing with it. Most people are selling, holding their money, hoping for a better investment. So what that means is a lot of those new people that are being introduced into cryptocurrency through Dodge or through SafeMoon and so on, are actually ending up keeping their money in cryptocurrency and are starting to realize, oh my, I'm in the wrong currency and this is going to crash, so I need to sell, and they end up selling and reinvesting. The other point, and this is why the growth for a lot of these positive cryptocurrencies like XRP and like ADA and like XLM are slow, is because people switched a lot of their XRP or a lot of their Stellar or a lot of their ADA into Dogecoin, but Dogecoin has these crashes itself, and no one wants to sell when they're losing money. Everybody wants to sell when they're gaining. So what that's forcing people is people to hold. The only smart people, or the most smart people, are the people that are realizing that every day that I'm holding, yes, there's a potential for an upspike because the trend shows that there's numerous upspike, but I'm actually losing on being able to enter into this new utility. And this happened with me initially, actually. I bought a whole bunch of XRP. The next time I was trying to buy XRP, I was comparing to the initial price I bought it. So I bought it initially at like 40 cents. So when I bought it 40 cents and it went up to 60, I'm like, oh, wait until it crashes up to 40. Again, or crashes to 45, and then I'll buy. What ends up happening is it goes up to 80, and then now your thought process goes back to, now if it goes down to 60, I'll buy it. And this number keeps going up, and your chance of entering starts to diminish every time. Now, I'm going to give you a trick. This is very important, and this is one of the ways that you'll make a lot of money. And this is how actually I about doubled my XRP. I bought into comparative crypto. So I seen the difference between Stellar, and this was at a point where XRP, I believe, was at 60 or 70 cents. Stellar was about 5 cents away from XRP. And I know I wanted to enter XRP, and I heard some positive news about Stellar. So what I did is I bought into Stellar. I bought a good chunk of Stellar. Now, of XLM. What happened was XLM for about a day spiked about 2 or 3 cents above XRP. Just for a day, there was positive news, it flew. What did I do? Immediately switched every single XLM that I had into XRP. Now look at the difference in the numbers now. Now it's about 70 cents difference. Again, I did that about 2 weeks ago. XLM was a third of XRP. It was exactly a third of XRP. So what did I do? I bought XLM, hoping to enter XRP. But XLM, I think it was close to, maybe it was 42 cents or something like that. I bought it, and I'm waiting for positive news. Now, right now, instead of 1 to 3, now every 2 XLMs buys me an XRP. So it's like I'm buying, if I were to switch it right this second to XRP, it's like I'm buying every single XRP for about $1. So I'm making profit of 50 cents just waiting about a week. Now I'm going to wait a tad bit more because I think XLM right now, there's big hype. Oh, it's growing. It reached 70 cents and so on. So there's big hype, and I think it has the potential to grow up a little bit more. And I'm waiting for that chance so that I can switch over my earnings to XRP. So that's the strategy you need to use. Now I'm going to tell you something overall in terms of the market and why I pick XRP over everything else. So this is going to get me a little bit into ADA. ADA, in my opinion, is one of the best cryptocurrencies, altcoins out there. Good. They have a good platform, good strategy. They're well planned. The only problem I see with ADA, and this is why actually I switched all of my ADA into XRP relatively recently. Without smart contracts, you're very limited. Because it's like telling somebody, you have a house and you have an architect, and the architect builds the house, draws the house, and it looks outstanding. It's just the most beautiful house, and the price is so reasonable, but you don't have the plot of land. So, and you keep saying, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. And maybe you have the money to buy it, and you likely will buy it, but nobody will be comfortable paying you for that house until you have the plot of land. So ADE, no matter how high they reach, they're very, very limited. And I think their cap until smart contracts come out is $2. Now that's a really good number, right? Especially if you enter very low. But you need to know that, because you need to know when to realize that, okay, I'm close to this cap. I need to put it into something that has a potential to cross past that point. And that's XRP. So ADE over the last couple of days has reached very, very close to that $2 cap. That's my personal opinion again. And things could just throw me out of the way and say, no, you're completely wrong. But I can tell you, it's very clear. Look at how long ADE stayed at $1, between $1 and $1.20. They lasted about 2 months. That's insane to have almost no growth. And again, between $1.20 and $1.40 months. And now $1.40 to $1.60. You're seeing insanely slow growth. In fact, if you look at even when they release big news, they released the Africa deal. That's supposed to be mind-blowing, supposed to make them fly and break all-time highs and just fly past everybody. And what happened that day? They had the huge, biggest promotion, and it was a great deal. I believe it was a very big deal. What happened to their price? Nothing. There was almost no growth for ADA on that day. And even the days, last week they grew a bit. They did decent. They did pretty good. But positive news is doing nothing to ADA. And it's not because it's bad. It's because people don't see it as an active currency yet, because they don't have smart contracts. So keep those things in mind. Now, again, big days coming in for XRP in terms of the lawsuit. Starting May 13th, there will start some respondents from XRP and from Ripple to the SEC. So we'll start seeing some updates there, and I will keep you posted. I will post every single day. But what I need from all of you is to please click that like button. I need that like button clicked every single time. It really helps me grow, and it helps me get to that point where I'm really hoping that once we have the right support, I can do an interview with Brad. And I've connected with some Ripple entities, and just because of our numbers. But once we have the right numbers, I'm hoping to get an interview with Brad. So make sure you support this channel. Click that like button. Please click that subscribe button. Please leave a comment in the comment section with which cryptocurrency you think is the best. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe ADA, is better in your opinion, or XLM is better. I mean, I have reasons that I'm believing what I'm believing, but leave that in the comment section. And if you could, I would be forever grateful if you could share this on your Twitter pages and tag XRP in it and tag CryptoGeek in it. That would be awesome, because I'm going to search those hashtags CryptoGeek. Okay? Thanks for watching the videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment, Twitter.